If you're experiencing payout delays on TrainerRoad, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the delays. Step 1. Check your payment information. Be sure that your payment details are accurate and up to date. Log into your TrainerRoad account and navigate to the payment settings to verify that all information is correct. Step 2. Review your account status. Confirm that your TrainerRoad account is in good standing. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your account that may affect payouts, such as subscription issues or payment holds. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your payment information is correct and your account is active, reach out to TrainerRoad's customer support. Provide them with details about your payout delay and they can assist you in resolving the issue. Step 4. Check for system updates. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Monitor your email. Keep an eye on your email for any communications from TrainerRoad regarding your payout. They may send updates or require additional information to process your payment. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payout delays on TrainerRoad effectively. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.